In this video, I will guide you through the steps to pair the FX7 with the Cardo Packdock Edge device. Step 1. Power on the FX7. Long press on off button for 3 seconds. Power on the Cardo device. Step 2. FX7 long press function button for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. Click the Intercom button 1 time. Please ensure your Cardo device is in Bluetooth mode. Long press the Intercom key on the Cardo device for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. Waiting for pairing. FX7 and Cardo paired successfully. Now you can click the Packdock Edge Intercom button to turn off/on Intercom stat.